Hey, Richie, Bullets and Broadheads at the range today. Do a quick little video here with the Glock 36. Very underrated gun. Did a lot of upgrades as you saw. So right now, have the XS big dot sights. This is my first time firing it. Extended takedown tabs, and more importantly here, the extended slide stop. This is the part I really want to make sure runs good. This is the part that I'm real worried about. This is a lone wolf one, so I just want to make sure everything's running good. Glock 36 at the range with the new sights. Let's check it out. First shot, malfunction. Again, malfunction. First shot. Might have to change this out. Malfunction. Malfunction. Not working. Let's try to cycle some out. Every shot's malfunctioning. So see, I wanted to depend my life with this gun right now. Major issues. Let's try it again. Richie, back at the range here, second time around. I really don't think this thing's working. This Glock used to run flawless. So this slide stop is not working the way it's supposed to. So let's try it again. Not working. Push down. Push down. This is why, after you do anything to your guns, you test fire. This is a perfect example. This is one of the only mods I ever done where I'm having problems. And I attribute it to this slide stop. So this would have to go. I'm gonna have to put the original back in and go from there. No good. Funny thing is, when I do it by hand, it's working. No good. I'd have to give it an F. Richie, Bullets and Broadheads, perfect example, lesson learned here, guys. Hope you learned this lesson. You don't depend your life on any mods. This gun never had a problem until I changed this part right here. So, it's a custom bent and made to make it work on the 36. Like I said, the Glock 36 is a unique firearm. So I'm gonna put the original back on, take it back to the range, and hopefully that was it. So Richie, Bullets and Broadheads, over and out. Lesson learned, guys. Take this as a lesson. Take care. Richie, Bullets and Broadheads, a little crazy here today. There's a class going on. Glock 36, original parts. Got the original parts back on. Gonna do some shots. Let's see how it works. So far, perfect. Glock 36. One more mag. Let me show you the target. XS Big Dot sights. Beautiful, work, perfect. Really like them. This is at 7 yards, this target. A learning process, hopefully for all you guys out there. It was just a simple part right here. The spring wasn't right. So it kept holding open on every shot. That's why, test your firearms. That's the first time a malfunction ever happened, replacing a part on my Glock. And it just goes to show you, I had a feeling it wasn't working right. So, little lesson, guys. Firearms unloaded, a little lesson. Always test your firearms when you do a mod. A simple mod. It wasn't a Glock part, it was a Lone Wolf part. Not saying that Lone Wolf makes great parts. But I learned my lesson. I always do this. I always do this. Very important, guys. Test your firearm. Do not depend your life on any modification, because you've seen what happened in the video. It failed, and that can cost you your life. So, little lesson learned. I put the original part back on. It's running just like it should be in Glock. So, Richie, Bullets and Broadheads, quick little update. I love this 36. It shoots great. These XS Big Dots really help it out. So, that's it. Richie, Bullets and Broadheads, over and